Okay, you're going to do a biographical PowerPoint. It's about you and people in your life, and it's about your role. Here's the guideline for it. Okay, it's in this assignments, and it's going to have your introduce yourself. You put your role model, your future college, is slide 3, future job or occupation, your family support systems. Who do you live with? Do you have any siblings? Who's been significant and relevant in your life? Culture and ethnicity, and a free slide. All right, it's up to you. Whatever you want on the last slide. Just express whatever you want. Okay, this is the order of the slides, and this is the guideline for it. Here's how it's rated, and that's in the assignments tab. And here's an example. Okay, forget the index. I don't want to confuse people. This is when you can click to a specific slide and it goes to it. We'll do that later. I can see the anxiety on people. Hear it? So we'll keep it like this for now. Okay, name, role model, future college, future job, family support system, culture slide. Notice you have a little link here to go to, and a free slide. Very simple, small links that go to information about the reference to the information that you want to go to. Very simple project you're going to do. I'm going to show you how to do the role model one really fast. Okay, so in this case, this person was Michael Jordan. All right, that's no problem. So let's do a different person. Let's keep it 90s. We will do, let's say that your role model is Derek Jeter. Okay, so we'll go in here. Oops. We'll do a search in Google Images. Derek Jeter. MLB.com, Derek Jeter's bio. This is great. He is a baseball player for the New York Yankees. I'm a Mets fan, actually, but I do like Derek Jeter because he always played with class. I grew up in the 90s as a, watching him play. It was great. He was good. So I'll take his link, I'll copy it right here. I'll go into my PowerPoint, and I do like this link. It's a good link. It's relevant. It tells us about his life, his historic 20-year career. I'll take it. I'm going to here. I'll paste it. Paste. There's a link at the very end. Space bar becomes an active link. Stretch it by pulling this text box out. Leave it at the bottom here. Now, get image of him. Let's get an image of Derek Jeter. Okay, no problem. We'll go back. We have his bio. Now we'll go to images. Okay, here's great images of him. There's one in particular I like where he shakes hands with, I think, Cal Ripken Jr. He's walking out to like second base. That'd be a nice one to have, but I can't find it. So what I'll do is I'll take this image right here, which is a famous clip of him that he always does. He always did this over second base, throw out the first. It's fine. Paste. Sorry. Right click, copy image. Go into PowerPoint, right click, paste. Shrink it by grabbing a corner and shrinking it a bit. Okay, you can make it switch it diagonally if you want that way with that. That's all. Just put a picture here fast, and now you're going to put a text box here of information. You're going to insert text box right here, text box, and then you can move it anywhere you want by clicking on the edge and moving it, or you could simply click in the middle and write in it. We'll make it a bit bigger. We'll write in it now by clicking in the middle. It's just not letting me click in the middle. Why? Okay, there we go. So now you want to write whatever you want to write about him. Derek Jeter was a shortstop for the New York Yankees. Make your information authentic. If you want to copy and paste something, paraphrase it. I can tell you that Derek Jeter was a shortstop for the New York Yankees. He was the epitome of class and a true lead to his team and the general public. All right, and now to stretch it, you would pull it out, and that's how you do a text box. Here's a picture, there's the text box, and here is a link to it, okay? Just putting a link. All right, now, if you want to get a little fancy, you could also click on the picture. You could right-click on the picture, sorry. Right-click on the picture. You can go to link, and you can also paste that link right in here. So, in other words, this link right here, you could take it, copy it, click on this picture, right-click, go to link, and you could paste an existing web page or file placed in this document. You want to do an existing web page on the internet. Paste the link here, hit OK. Now, File, Save, Continue. Now when you go to slideshow from beginning and check it out, right, there's your name and class number. Now, there's your information about the role model, but when you click on Derek Jeter or this link, it'll take you to his bio that we just linked to it, okay? And that's how you can do referencing when you're doing reports and stuff like that. Okay, hit escape and get out of here. And this is how you do the role model. It's the same way you do the college, future job, family support systems, culture, and your free slide. I emphasize that you should really talk and express yourself about your culture and about your family slide. It's really easy because later on down the road we're going to revisit these slides and we're going to reuse them, because one of the things I also test is how you save your documents and how well you're able to organize yourselves. Okay, so that is the gist of it. Everything that you just learned from this slide right here, apply to all your other ones. Thank you.